So right around here is where the first phrase starts. So let me get the rest of these out of the way so I can start working on them. Oh, I'm gonna have to zoom in. I can't grab the end. What is? Oh, I'm not at the end yet. There we go. So, first one's always the hardest, gets over on the edge. Alright, now let me figure out where that ends. So maybe somewhere right around here, and you can fine tune that. Then you could come in and drag this over, find where it starts. Oh, I had two phrases here, so I'm already messing up. So somewhere right around here. So something like that. So I'm just going to do the first few. You see how you're going to have to tune those phrases. Once you have them all tuned, you could come in here and say break down phrases. That will break down every phrase on this row. I'm just going to do one at a time. So I'll right click and just break down this phrase. The first phrase that you break down, it's going to take somewhere like 15 seconds, depends on how fast your computer is. That's because right now we're loading all the Carnegie Mellon dictionary libraries, and hopefully in the future maybe we can try to spawn a background thread that'll be loading that up while you're doing something else and you won't know it's happening. But for right now it's going to be a little bit slow. So that broke that phrase down into words. So let's try to fine tune those words a little bit. Alright, I'm just fine tuning. Alright, so I'm just going to, for now, for the sake of time, just use this one phrase. So you're going to have to do that with every phrase, is break down exactly where those words start and stop, or tune where those words start and stop. Then you can, you need to get all these selected. The easiest way I think is just unselect that so you can drag around them. Now you can right click and say break down. You could break down an individual word or break down selected words just like Dan showed in his video. So now I've got those broken down, and just to show you how quick it is now, I could say break down phrase. I could break down individual words if I want, or I can select all of those and say break down selected words. Now if I went in here and had to make an adjustment, let's say I had to shorten this guy, I can right click on him and say break down that phrase, and you see he'll delete everything underneath them, but it'll leave some strap.